You will manifest everything you want in sleep. If you want to learn a powerful manifestation technique that can help you manifest your dreams quickly and effectively, then watch this video till the end. If you miss any part, then you may not manifest. This technique is designed to access your subconscious mind and reprogram it to attract what you desire, and it's called quantum leaping. It's manifestation on turbo speed, so get ready to receive what you want, because it can happen very quickly. Hello, and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will share you a powerful technique that can help you manifest your desires with ease. The law of attraction is a powerful force, and when you learn how to use it effectively, you can create the life of your dreams. So, if you're ready to learn how to manifest your desires quickly and effectively, keep watching. Quantum leaping is a powerful manifestation technique that works by activating a part of your brain called the reticular activating system, RAS. The RAS is responsible for filtering information and bringing your attention to things that you focus on. By priming and conditioning your RAS to work for you, you can manifest your desires quickly and easily. The reason this technique is so powerful is that the RAS responds to what you focus on. Have you ever noticed that after you decide to buy a new car, you start seeing that car everywhere? That's the RAS in action, filtering out all the noise and distractions and bringing your attention to the car, because that's what you're focusing on. The advantage of quantum leaping is that it allows you to access your subconscious mind, which is where your beliefs and thoughts are stored. By changing your beliefs and thoughts, you can change your reality. This technique is also very easy to use and can be done while you sleep. Step 1. Think about your desired reality. The first step in manifestation is to think about your desired reality. This means focusing on what you want to manifest in your life. It's important to be specific and clear about what you want. Take some time to reflect on your desires and imagine yourself already living in that reality. There are a few reasons why this step is important. Firstly, when you focus on what you want, you send a clear message to the universe about your intentions. The law of attraction states that like attracts like, so when you focus on what you want, you attract more of it into your life. Secondly, thinking about your desired reality can help you identify any limiting beliefs or negative thought patterns that may be holding you back from manifesting your desires. For example, if your desired reality is to have a successful career, you might visualize yourself in your dream job with a fulfilling career and a good work-life balance. As you focus on this vision, you may become aware of any limiting beliefs you have around your career, such as "I'm not good enough" or "I don't have the right skills." Recognizing these limiting beliefs is an important step in overcoming them and manifesting your desires. Step 2. Select 3 affirmations related to your desired reality. Once you have a clear picture of your desired reality, the next step is to select 3 affirmations that resonate with your goal. Affirmations are positive statements that help you to focus on what you want to achieve. They can be powerful tools for manifesting your desires because they help you to shift your thoughts and beliefs to be more in line with your goals. When selecting your affirmations, it's important to choose statements that feel authentic and resonate with you. The more aligned your affirmations are with your true desires, the more effective they will be. For example, if your desired reality is to attract a loving and supportive romantic partner, your affirmations might include, "I am worthy of love and affection. I attract loving and supportive people into my life. I am in a fulfilling and loving relationship." These affirmations focus on your worthiness, the type of people you attract, and the relationship you desire. By repeating these statements to yourself regularly, you begin to shift your thoughts and beliefs to align with your desired reality. There are several reasons why affirmations can be effective. First, they help to counteract negative self-talk and limiting beliefs that may be holding you back. By replacing negative thoughts with positive statements, you begin to build a more empowering mindset. Second, affirmations help to create a sense of alignment between your thoughts, emotions, and actions. When you believe that your desired reality is possible, you are more likely to take action towards making it a reality. Finally, affirmations can help to reprogram your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is responsible for many of your automatic thoughts and behaviors, so by repeating positive statements to yourself, you can begin to shift your subconscious programming to be more supportive of your goals. Step 3. Repeat the affirmations. After selecting your affirmations, the next step is to repeat them to yourself. This helps to impress them onto your subconscious mind and activate the reticular activating system, RAS, to look for evidence of them in your environment. You can repeat your affirmations in various ways, such as saying them out loud, writing them down, or reciting them silently to yourself. It is important to do this with intention and focus, as if you really believe in what you are saying. Repeating your affirmations also helps to shift your mindset from a negative or limiting one to a positive and empowering one. This is because your thoughts and beliefs create your reality, and by changing them to align with your desired reality, you can manifest it into existence. Scientifically, when you repeat affirmations, it creates neural pathways in your brain that strengthen the connection between the thought and the behavior, feeling, or outcome associated with it. This is called neuroplasticity, and it helps to rewire your brain to think and act in alignment with your desires. Step 4. Drift off to sleep. Once you have repeated your affirmations, the next step is to drift off to sleep. You can do this by closing your eyes and relaxing your body. Take a few deep breaths and release any tension you may be holding in your body. Let your mind relax and clear itself of any thoughts or distractions. As you drift off to sleep, your subconscious mind becomes more receptive to suggestion. This is because your conscious mind is at rest, and your subconscious mind is more open to new ideas and beliefs. The reason why this step is important is that it allows your affirmations to be deeply embedded in your subconscious mind. As you sleep, your subconscious mind processes the affirmations and begins to reprogram your beliefs and thoughts to align with your desired reality. Research has shown that sleep plays a crucial role in memory consolidation and learning. When we sleep, our brain processes and strengthens the memories and information we have learned during the day. This is why repeating your affirmations before sleep is so effective. Additionally, when we sleep, our brain produces theta brainwaves, which are associated with deep relaxation and heightened creativity. Theta brainwaves are also the ideal state for programming our subconscious mind with new beliefs and thoughts. Step 5. Repeat again when you wake up. After waking up in the morning, repeat your affirmations again. This will reinforce the positive thoughts and feelings from the previous night and set the tone for your day ahead. You can repeat them out loud or silently to yourself, whichever you prefer. Repeating affirmations in the morning is also effective because your mind is in a more receptive state after sleep. Your brain waves are in the alpha state, which is associated with relaxation and creativity. This makes it easier for your mind to absorb and accept positive suggestions. Additionally, repeating affirmations in the morning can help you to stay focused and motivated throughout the day. By starting your day with positive thoughts, you're more likely to approach challenges with a positive mindset and attract positive outcomes. It's important to note that repetition is key when it comes to affirmations. The more you repeat them, the more you'll start to believe them and see results. So, make it a habit to repeat your affirmations both in the morning and at night. If you enjoyed the content and found it valuable, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with friends. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click on the notification so you never miss out on new videos. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.